Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to take you around my garden today and show you all the fruits and vegetables that I grow each year. These right here are my raspberries. I've got a huge raspberry patch. Raspberries spread like crazy, so I got a lot of raspberries this year. This is a rhubarb plant, and these are all my tomatoes. This footage was actually taken back in May when I just planted them, so they're really little right now. And this was taken, I believe, in July, and my tomatoes are starting to grow bigger and they're not quite red yet. But now in August, actually it's September now, but in August I've got yellow ones and red ones, and then this right here is my basil, and I've just shown kind of how they grow. They grow best when they're planted next to tomatoes. I love basil. I love the smell of it. I love growing herbs. And these are my beans. They're string beans or bush beans, and I'm just showing you how they grow throughout the season. And I got a huge crop this year of green beans. They'll grow, and then you'll pick them, and then they'll grow again, and they'll just keep coming. And then these are my little lettuce sprouts, and this is my cucumbers. This was taken back in May, and then now this is in July. The lettuce and the cucumbers have grown, and I love cucumbers. They're so cute, they're so delicious, and lettuce is so easy to grow too. You only need about maybe 2 or 3 plants to grow quite a bit of cucumbers. I got a ton of cucumbers, and they kind of all came at once this year. So I was making cucumber salads with tomatoes like crazy. We were getting kind of sick of it. And then here's my raspberries, and then you usually get like 2 crops of raspberries. Like they just keep coming and coming back in like May or June, and then they kind of go away for like a few weeks, and then they come back, and then you get another crop. And then this is my pear tree, and this is the first year I'm so excited that my pears have actually grown and we've actually gotten to enjoy them. They're kind of small, and that's okay. This is kind of a new tree. I just bought it a couple years ago, so this is all the pears that I got this year. So they say to pick them and then let them ripen on the counter for about a week, and then they're ready. And then these are actually apples that I picked from a tree that's right next to my church. I asked them for permission, and they said it was completely fine that I picked, you know, the apples from the tree. So that's one way that you can get free food is, you know, go to a friend or find somewhere where you find an apple tree that has tons of apples on it or whatever fruit, and just ask the owner of the property, hey, can I take some of these apples? So every week at church, I mean, the tree is literally right next to the front door of the church, and I'm like, there's apples everywhere, and they're going to waste. I mean, they're on the floor, and nobody's picking them up. So I went to the pastor and said, hey, can I take some of these apples? So every week in the fall, I get a whole bushel of apples. It's pretty cool. So anyway, that's my garden, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Thanks for watching.